got to see. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. When this bird you cannot change. Oh, when the bird you cannot change. When this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can change. Bye bye baby, it's been sweet love. Yeah, yeah. With all this feeling I can't change. Please don't take it so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. When it's bird you cannot change. Oh, when the bird you cannot change. Yeah. When it's bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can change. Lord help me, I can change. Lord, I can change. Want to find free.
Got the fat strap on my head, and I have to admit, I feel comfortable at flying right at the moment, and I don't know what it is, and I'm thinking it's the strap because, like I said in my video, the wider the strap, it's kind of like the bigger the goggle, it balances your goggle on your face instead of it being a little, you know what I mean, being a little short here. It's going to cant the goggle down and pull it upwards, or it's going to cant the goggle and pull it downward, depending on the shape of the back of your head. You know, if you got that nice little palm right back there, palm hold. But now it feels good on my face. The goggles, I'm really impressed with them. Like, it just feels good, like locked in on my face. The goggles don't move around, and before my goggles would move around with that pyro strap, even at the tightest. So yeah, that's a plus. This thing.